Science with Ayazullah, and today we'll learn how to make Heron's fountain. So let's start. So friends, the materials for Heron's fountain is juice bottles. We have to use 3. Glue gun, 4 straws, and a scissors. So let's start. So friends, now for making Heron's fountain, we have to take 2 caps and we have to stick it like this. Like this. And now we have to make 2 holes here. So now friends, we have to insert the straw into the holes that we made here in the cap. And we have to stick it in place. So friends, now we have to insert the second straw into the second hole here, like this, and we will attach one more straw to this straw that we have attached before to the cap. Like this it will be. Now friends, we will make this straw a bit long by attaching one more straw to it. And the method to make it long is take a straw and make a slit at one of its end using a scissors and bend it like this. It will become a bit small, the hole that is present there, and we have to insert it inside the other straw so that it will become easy to attach the straw. Yes friends, see. And now I'll show you how it will look at last. Here we'll make a hole here so that this straw passes through the hole. After that we will attach it here like this. So friends, now we will make a hole here at the center. So friends, after attaching the straw to the other straw and after sticking the straws to the cap, we have to take another cap of the third bottle and make 2 holes at the center. So friends, now I have made 2 holes at the center of the cap, and even I have made a large hole at the bottom of the bottle. And now we have to assemble all the parts like this, and the other bottle here. we have to stick the cap here like this, and the straw that is out, we have to make it through the bottle cap. Now friends, you will notice that I have made the second smaller straw a bit bigger, that it is a bit far from the base of the bottle. And friends, now we have to cut the third bottle from here. There is a marking. So friends, now I have cut the bottle like this, half, and now I will stick the cap at the base of the second bottle like this. And the straw will go into the holes. Now friends, we have to insert the third straw from the top this way, and we have to cut the second straw from down like this. So friends, now this part we have to attach it here at the top. And now friends, our structure of a Heron's fountain is ready. Now I'll show you its working. A Heron's experiment. It is hydraulic machine. When bottom bottle becomes full and middle bottle empty, this stops. Again we have to restore the system by filling the middle bottle and vacant bottom bottle. This is concerned with potential and kinetic energy.